Hello, dear students. Today in computer class, we are going to discuss about computer hardware components. First of all, we will learn what is computer system. Actually, a computer system is an electronic device that accepts data as input through input devices like keyboard and mouse and processes that input data by performing mathematical and logical operations through CPU, and the output will be displayed on output devices. Actually, when we provide input to the system through input devices like keyboard and mouse, and that data or information that will be stored in central processing unit. The function of central processing unit is to do all processing works, all arithmetical and logical operations will be performed in central processing unit, and finally the output will be generated and that output will be displayed on monitor. Actually कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में सबसे पहले डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन इन डिवाइसेस के थ्रू देते हैं. इनपुट डिवाइसेस का एग्जांपल कीबोर्ड और माउस, एंड जो डेटा इनपुट डिवाइस के थ्रू दिया जाता है वो सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट में स्टोर होता है, और प्रोसेसिंग वर्क जो भी होता है वो परफॉर्म्ड होता है सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट में, एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दैट प्रोसेसिंग वर्क जो रिजल्ट होता है ये आउटपुट के थ्रू हमको प्राप्त होता है, और ये हमको मॉनिटर पे इसका आउटपुट देखने को मिलता है. एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट को ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर भी बोलते हैं, एंड इट्स फंक्शनैलिटी इज परफॉर्म all processing works, and it will give the output. The computer also stores large amount of data and information, okay, either temporarily or permanently in memory devices. Actually there is in memory device which is in central processing unit, and all the information and data will be stored in memory devices in permanently or temporarily. The former chairman of IBM, actually his name was Thomas Watson. In the year 1943, actually he has made one prediction, and what he said that there is a world market of 5 computers. So long back only he has predicted. Now that prediction is becoming true. Today most of us we have 5 computers. For example, laptops, notebooks, cell phones, iPads and tablet PC. Nowadays computers are an integral part of our lives, because almost all everywhere we are doing the work of computer. So this is the definition of computer system. Now we are moving towards the next topic, that is data and information. सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे कि डेटा क्या होता है एंड इंफॉर्मेशन क्या होता है. सो व्हाट इज डेटा? एक्चुअली a computer is a data processing machine. That means all the data processing work has been completed in computer, and data means it's a raw facts that which are processed logically by sets of instruction, and it is known as programs. And how the data is provided to the computer? Through input devices. Actually, data is provided to the computer through input devices, and information is the logically processed data. Logically processed data. Actually, what data we have supplied or user have given to the central processing unit, that logically processed data is known as information. But the data, same data, that can be processed with algorithm. And in computer system, the concept of generating output information from the input data is also referred to as input process output concept. Actually, this is the block diagram which exhibits the IPO concepts. Here input device is there through which we are providing data and information, and that data and information is stored in processing devices like central processing unit. All central processing works has been finished here, and it will generate some output, and that output will be stored in output devices, and we will get that output devices on monitor. Okay, now we have seen the definition of computer system and data and information. Already we have covered the two topics, that computer system and data and information. Now we will move to hardware and software. So first of all, we will see what is hardware. What is hardware? Actually, hardware is nothing but the physical components of the computer system. And what it does, hardware components accepts the data and instruction, process it, and generates the output. Here in block diagram, actually it has given the block diagram of computer system. Input device is there through which data or information is giving, and then that data or information is stored in central processing unit. Actually, central processing unit is composed of control unit and arithmetic logic unit. And here memory unit is also there. The information and data is stored in memory unit permanently or temporarily, and then finally we will get output. एक्चुअली ये ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ कंप्यूटर है. इसमें सबसे पहले क्या होता है, इनपुट डिवाइस है. डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन हम इनपुट डिवाइस के थ्रू सप्लाई करते हैं, और ये डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन जाने के बाद ये सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट में जाता है, और यहाँ जाने के बाद ये कंट्रोल यूनिट टोटल प्रोसेसिंग वर्क जो भी होता है उसका काम कंट्रोल करना होता है, और अर्थमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट जो अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन होता है उसको परफॉर्म करता है. एंड लास्ट में इसका जो भी रिजल्ट होता है वो मेमोरी यूनिट में स्टोर होता है. तो जो भी डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन मेमोरी यूनिट में स्टोर होगा, दैट डेटा विल stored in memory unit permanently, and finally it will reflect or it will display on output devices. So today we have completed the definition of computer system. Then we have seen the data and information, and now we have covered hardware. Okay, today is today class is finished. Tomorrow we will see regarding software and working of a computer. Thank you.